DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week on like una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive all touch ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Not be a nation of praying people. We call ourselves the most populous country in Nigeria.
Absolutely.
Really? But when it comes to protest, we are the least populous country.
Yes.
Because we have powers as citizens.
Yes.
People who are afraid to die. Are we living in Nigeria?
No.
Is this life?
No.
It's not life. I spent 7 months in the UK. I just came back 2 weeks ago. I just finished my 14 days quarantine. You know what? I wasn't treated as a slave in another man's land. So who would dare to treat me as a slave in my own country? Because we call out those who failed. Every day you get a phone call from someone in the middle of the night telling you that they need money for healthcare, they need money for school fees, they need money for this and that.
Yes.
Nigerians make demands on fellow citizens, but they dare not make demands on the government that
Yes.
are failing them, that are looting them, that are packing their things away. It is high time we begin to do tough law.
Yes. Yes.
Enough of the nonsense.
Yes.
When some people will stay at home, they expect us to put our lives on the line for them.
No,
and then
yes.
they will call and tell us to bring money. People have been making excuses. All you yesterday, what was on social media? Oh, Showore is the one doing it, they will not call. Rashid is the one doing it, they will not call. Oh, Adeyanju is the one doing it, they will not call. Oh, Ario is the one doing it, they will not call. You know what? Excuses are like shoes, and you always find the one that fits.
Yes.
It is time for us to stand as a nation.
Yes.
I'm tired of being afraid in my country.
Yes.
I'm tired of hiding in my house. I'm tired of paying unnecessary school fees. I'm tired of paying bills. Come to the tidy care that they pay. What would you buy? A bag of rice? And that's it. And then we'll have a president.
Bag of rice is
who has
58,000.
to do nothing. And yet he sent in security agents to come and intimidate us. You all should be ashamed of yourself.
Yes.
You all should be ashamed of yourself.
That is the
You
truth.
all should look at yourself and let the tears pour down. Because
Yes.
you are killing this nation.
Yes.
No matter how much do they pay you? How much is your school salary? How much do you pay for your children?
They live in dirty
The child of the president and the child of the policeman should have equal rights in this country.
Yes.
So you have access to good quality education.
Absolutely.
Yes.
How much is the school fees in regions where most of them have your children? You see us on the streets, you think we are hungry, that's why.
We're not
We are
hungry.
not hungry.
We aren't!
We are not.
It is Buhari and his people that are hungry. The people who are stealing our
How
money.
much is it your
They
school
are the
fees?
hungry people.
How much is your salary? How much do you pay for your children's school fees? Do your children get the same access to good quality education like your children?
No.
That's why we are here. So the next time they send you to protesters
Think
and tell you to
about
put
it.
a
And you
bullet
come out
through
with
our
guns.
head, think about it.
Yes.
And the thing is that as long as they are committed people, it doesn't matter the numbers.
Yes.
The numbers have never mattered. What has mattered is the sincerity of
Yes.
Every shade you are here.
Yes,
You've seen the people that will talk on social media, that will say all sorts of things. But when it comes to being on the street, they don't get liver.
Yes.
The liver no day.
Yes.
You when you look for them, you no go sit there.
Yes, so
But to talk like this, they go they
Talk.
But you know what? See, some of them go they laugh. They go say, "I know plenty." But now mind the carry person.
yes. The sincerity.
Number. And so I say to you, this is just the beginning.
Yes.
And let me tell you something. For anyone who says protest does not work, it's a lie.
Yes.
They are afraid of it. That's why they will send them to you.
Yes.
They are afraid of your voice.
Yes.
They are afraid of your power.
Yes.
They know you are committed. They know you will stand. They know you will fight.
Yes.
They know you will never ever give up.
Yes. Yes.
Let that, hold on to that as we stand today.
Yes.
And I want to say to you, Nigeria must work in our lifetime.
Yes.
Nigeria must work in our lifetime.
Yes.
Make this country work.
Yes.
We will make this country prosper.
Yes, we
And
will.
all of the policemen and women,
They will enjoy it.
all of the security agents will enjoy
Yes.
it. Madam will not need to send her child to a low-grade school.
Yes.
Her child will get the best.
Yes, of education. There's water. There's water. Revolution. Victoria. Satan.
Aluta. Aluta.
Aluta.
Aluta.
Aluta. Aluta. Country.
Aluta.
Aluta. Country.
Aluta.
Aluta. Country.
Nigerian people.
Great!
Of the greatest Nigerian people.
Great!
You know what we will do now?
No.
What we will do now is called Citizens Parliament. You know that in Nigeria as we don't have a parliament.
No. We don't.
The parliament that you are supposed to have has already been occupied by thieves and rogues. And now, they have made it so legal to be rubber stamping anything that the president wants. So we will pass a vote of no confidence, starting from the Nigerian Senate to the Nigerian House of Representatives, and then we'll go into the executives and we'll call the man by his name because he's a tyrant.
Yes!
We will call the man by his name because he does not represent we, the Nigerian people.
Yeah.
We will call the man by his name because we know that under him, more Nigerians have slipped into poverty. Because we know that under him, hardship has been redefined in Nigeria. Because we know that under him, our economy is in shambles.
Yes.
So let it be told that pass a vote of no confidence of President Muhammadu Buhari.
Yes!
Those in support say yay.
Yay!
Those against say nay.
Nay! No. I'm not even there.
Guys, let's move this way.
I'm thinking and talking.
Let's move this way. Let us move this way.
Okay.
This way. Let's everybody move this way.
Banner, move this way.
Gentlemen, my name is Henry Shield. There is nothing that can happen. Move this way. Calm down. Wait, there's nothing that can happen. There is nothing that can happen. There is no cover.
You're already covering what you want to do.
I'm going to just raise. Are we here?
Yes, we are here.
Are we here?
Yes.
My fellow citizens.
Yes, sir.
If we talk, we go die. If we not talk,
We go die.
then we go talk.
Make we die.
Let me make something abundantly clear. The moment you lose your right to protest, you become a slave.
Yes, sir.
I don't care if you have 1 billion in your account.
Yeah.
In a democracy, the moment you can no longer protest, you become a
Slave.
I am not a slave. My parents might have kept quiet when this man held sway between 1983 and 1985. My generation will not keep quiet.
Absolutely.
Why are people not out today? Because they are scared that President Buhari will send the soldiers to go and kill them.
Yes.
This is not Uganda.
No.
This is not Idi Amin's Uganda.
Yeah.
This is Nigeria.
Yes.
MKO Abiola died for democracy.
Yes.
Gani Fawehinmi fought for democracy.
Yes.
We have not seen anything that Buhari did for democracy.
Nothing.
You will not intimidate us. You will not keep us quiet.
No.
And for everything that we do today, when I left my house this morning, I told my children, if I don't come back home, do not cry. Because at this level, nobody cares anymore.
Yes.
We cannot be intimidated.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have my sponge, I have my toothbrush, I have my soap here. I don't care if DSS arrest me here. I don't care if police shoots me here. But this is not the Nigeria that I want to hand over to my children. Yes, absolutely. At whatever cost. Whatever the president wants to do, let him do. Absolutely. But Nigeria's democracy must be saved.
Yes.
Our freedom to be able to do what we want to do must be protected.
Yes.
Now, in a democracy, people are now scared to come out and protest. You increase fuel from 123 naira to 162 naira. Nigerians can no longer eat, and they can no longer come out to protest. I am not a slave.
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 I will talk.
I will talk.
I will talk.
I will talk.
I will shout.
I will shout.
If the president misbehave, I will talk.
I will talk if he misbehaves.
Greatest Nigerian people.
Great.
Ever conscious Nigerian people.
Ever.
When take over street.
When my sins take over street. All oppressors, them go run away. When my sins take over street. When my sins take over street. When my sins take over street. All oppressors, them go run away. When my sins take over.
Nigerian people.
Great.
The reason why we are here is not simple. Some people will say it's very simple. It is not simple. Greatest Nigerian people. Great. We have lost brothers. We have lost sisters. We have lost fathers and mothers. We have lost almost everybody in Nigeria. Absolutely. Today, our nation is the poverty capital, extreme poverty capital.
DJM TV.